Hello my beautiful people, welcome to the jungle. Literally welcome to the jungle. Today I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me to go out and pick some wild asparagus. Oh my goodness, you guys see them? So yeah, if you guys are ready, I definitely was ready because I'm here now. So let's just jump into the video. Alrighty, so let's get ready super fast, you guys. I just want to apologize for the amount of chewing I did in this video. Like, I don't know why. First of all, I put that piece of gum into my mouth and then I pressed record. And the amount of saliva I had in my mouth, it was insane. So I want to apologize for chewing that loud. I was thinking to not post this video, but then I said, you know what? I allow myself to be weird. I swear to you, I am not a loud chewer. Chewer? Is that a word? I don't know. I don't chew, usually I don't chew that loud. My food, gum, whatever, but I don't know what happened yesterday. I was loud and I'm annoying and I'm so sorry for that, but I allow myself to be a weirdo. Okay, if you are a weirdo, welcome. This is a place for you to feel free and to feel like you're not different, you know what I mean? So that's that. I'm sorry once again. Should I do a keratin treatment hair update? Because I don't even know how much it's been since I did that keratin treatment, and as you can see, the frizziness is coming back and I do not like that. But I think it's been 8 months, 7 maybe, I don't know. So yeah, let me know if you guys want me to film that. I will show you how my hair looks right now. It's been some time, but that's super normal because you know the treatment's supposed to, the more you wash your hair, the more it fades away. Like, I really wanted to try again the Maybelline Superstay Skin Tint Foundation, but I'm running out of air. I don't know why. Because I'm gonna be out in the sun, I want a little bit of SPF on my skin, so I'm gonna go again with the It Cosmetics foundation. Oh my goodness, wait, I heard this is a dupe. Like, are they dupes? Please let me know. I feel like they are pretty similar, but I don't know. Let me know if you guys think these are dupes. But first I need to prep my skin. So let's start with my eyebrows. You guys, I've been loving the Elmer's school glue to do my eyebrows. Oh, sorry, you have no idea. This is my go-to these days because honestly, it's freaking amazing. Should I bring you a little bit closer? I think that's good. So I'm gonna do just a little bit of makeup, and hear me out. I definitely don't need to put makeup on my face to go out and pick some wild asparagus. Definitely I don't need to do that, but I want to wear a little bit of makeup, okay? So that's that. By the way, you guys, the weather here changed drastically. Like, right now we have 22 degrees Celsius. Are you insane? Is that? I don't think that's normal. I'm gonna take a little jacket with me, but I'm planning to wear my t-shirt. So my eyebrows are laid. Next I'm gonna quickly wipe my face with some micellar water. I did wash my face, but whatever. So I'm using these nail lint free, whatever these are called. I love them for my face just because they don't leave any residue behind. Okay, next I'm gonna go with a little bit of moisturizer. So tell me more about you guys. What are you doing these days? How are you feeling? Everything okay? Tell me more about you. I love how this smells. I don't know if you guys remember this, but one of my cats, like the old one, she has pretty severe allergies, and I need to bath her every single week. Poor little thing. She hates it, but she's like staying there super chill, and she's like meow 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 complaining, you know, but she's not doing anything. She's an angel. So today I give her a shower and she smells so good now. Poor little thing. And I think next week I'm gonna go to the vet with her for a little checking, because she has, you guys, I don't remember how this is called, but one of her pupils is bigger. Like, it can get smaller. It gets bigger, but it can get smaller. So they've been running a lot of tests on her. That shit was super expensive. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go with foundation. And nothing, like apparently nothing is wrong with her, because all the results were negative. Like she's completely healthy besides the allergy situation. And to do a biopsy on her eye, that shit's super expensive. I cannot afford that. The vet said, well, no worries, it is what it is, I totally understand it. She was very understanding, so she said if we can't do the biopsy on the eyes, we're gonna treat her like blindly, because we don't know what we're treating. As I said, all the test she did on her, they came back negative. Like she's healthy, you know what I mean? I thought she wanted to jump, like one day she wanted to jump up on top of the cat tree, okay, and she fell, but I don't think she like hit her head. I don't know, honestly, I have no idea. So yeah, right now she's taking a lot of pills. Also, she they found crystals in her urine, in her pee-pee, so I think she's like, we did cure that. She's fine. I'm gonna have to take a little bit of pee-pee sample next week, but oh my goodness, sometimes it's scary, you know, like she has the other pupil, like there's a tiny little black line in there, and the other eye is like, it has like a triangle shape. It's a little bit weird. I'm gonna insert a picture here so you can see what the heck I'm talking about, but it's a little bit scary, and I truly hope she's like healthy and this is nothing serious. The vet said if her eye hurts or it feels uncomfortable, I will see signs, but I honestly don't see anything. Like she doesn't she doesn't lick her eyes, she doesn't cover it, she doesn't keeps it closed, like nothing is wrong with it, you know what I mean? Like I don't see any signs. Maybe she's suffering in silence, and that's, oh my goodness, I don't even want to think about that, but poor little thing. I just want her to live a happy life. Like she has already too much with the damn allergies. Oh my goodness, if you have pets, I feel like you can feel me, but if you don't have pets, you will understand someday. That's that with my little cat. She, like, I don't know, I'm worried for her. I truly hope she's okay and her eye will go back to normal very soon. I don't think I'm gonna go with concealer. As you see, I apply this everywhere. The stupidest thing ever. Doing my makeup to go out, I pick wild asparagus. Wow, but it is what it is. I wanted to talk with you a little bit and to ask you, how are you guys? Like, honestly, how are you? Tell me, how are you? Are you okay mentally speaking? Are you okay? Are you healthy? Are you happy? Tell me more about you, because I'm curious. So I just had lunch, I mean half an hour ago, and I had soup, chicken soup with dumplings and baked sushi. Not an amazing combo, but yeah, that's what I had for lunch, you guys. If you haven't tried the baked sushi recipe from TikTok, oh my goodness, that thing is next level delicious. Because I was skeptical when I saw, oh my goodness, you put that in the oven, you bake it. Ugh. But then one day I said, you know what? That intrigued me. Okay, so I wanted to try it, and I did try it. And the first time I tried it, like exactly how the recipe said, with imitation crab and salmon fish, it was good, but it wasn't amazing. I feel like something was missing. And there's people out there that instead of salmon they use tuna fish, but no. So the other day I said, you know what, since I don't have how is that called, salmon fish, I'm gonna use only the surimi, the imitation crab, rice, and all the ingredients you need for this sushi bake. And oh my goodness, wow, no joke, it's the best baked sushi I ever had. That shit is like, oh my goodness, it tastes like sushi, but you don't see the raw fish in there because it's baked, okay? So if you guys haven't tried that, I recommend you to do so, okay? Go on TikTok and search for the sushi bake recipe. If you don't like the salmon, don't try it with the salmon, just go with the imitation crab sticks. Oh my goodness, that sushi is amazing. And also I can find the wakamame. How's that called? This salad, the green algas salad, and everything together, like with the preserved ginger or ginger. You know, that little. Oh my goodness, I can't find the words. Wow, you know what I'm saying, right? When you eat sushi, you have the wasabi, you have the. It's not preserved ginger. How's that called? Anyway, you know what I'm saying, right? And I'm telling you, you're gonna love it if you like sushi, obviously. But you know, there's people out there that don't eat sushi just because it has raw fish. So now is this is your sign to try fish. What? To try sushi, because this recipe has no raw fish in it, and you're gonna love it. Trust my word, okay? And please come back and tell me if you liked it or not. Okay, so I feel like I'm like 80% done with my makeup. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I forgot to ask you, but have you ever went picking wild asparagus? Does even asparagus grow where you live? Because when I lived in Romania, I wasn't familiar with wild asparagus, and also I was living in the city, but whatever, that wasn't like popular. Yeah, let me know if you guys have like bosque and wild asparagus where you live, because if you do, I suggest you to go out and pick them, because now it's their time and you can make delicious omelets with it. Oh my goodness, there's this recipe with a little bit of lemon juice and parmesano on top. Oh my goodness, that's wow. Next I'm gonna curl my lashes. What? I know I said I won't be doing a lot of makeup, but look at me. So I'm using this Sky High mascara. This is honestly the best. Next I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer, because why not? Wow! Just a little bit. I love this bronzer. This is in the shade Sunset Striptease. I think I am safe, ready. Oh, I'm missing some gloss because lips are a bit too dry. Blend, 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 just a little bit. On my lips, I'm gonna go with this Essence Hydra Lip Oil. Oh my goodness, this is freaking amazing. It lasts on my lips so long and it keeps them super hydrated. And it's also super shiny, as you can see. Oh my god, I love it. Nice. And also, you guys, I don't even know when I purchased this. I just noticed it last night when I was cleaning my vanity. Please help. Wow, this is I saw Nicole Guerrero saying this is the best. So this is the Revolution Makeup Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. Wow, it smells good. And you guys noticed it's not a continuous mist. You see, you just like. Anyway, I'm ready to go. Anyway, so this is the makeup. Let me just do a close-up. Very natural, very like ready to go out. What is this hair doing, like, honestly? Okay, please stay there. Oh yeah, this is the final look. Very natural, very natural. Oh my god, do you guys see it? Do you guys see it? Look at this. Look at this little one. So this is how wild asparagus looks. It's not as thick and fat as the one you buy at the store. Do you guys see it? Do you see it? It's right there. And then another one there. So I'm telling you, Earth is pretty abundant, especially in the spring. You see there's another small one here, but I'm not gonna pick it. Look, another one. Oh my goodness, look, another one. There. He's waiting for me. Oh wait, there's another one here. Oh my goodness, this is a huge one, but you must snap it from where it feels like tender. You see, like from there. If you go lower, it might be too hard. for you to chew, so I won't be doing that. Oh, be careful with the ants. They may bite you. You guys, look at this one. This is huge. Hey, don't go. And then there's another one here. Do you guys see it? Wow. And then I have another one there. Oh my goodness. There's so many wild asparagus. I love it. I don't know why, but this eye decided to play me big time. But because it got a little bit watery. Anyway, it's a little bit windy, not that much, but I just wanted to show you guys my makeup. The sun is in my eyes and I can't stand it. I picked more than this. I'm gonna show you a little bit later, but there's so many wild asparagus. Please come pick some with me, because I'm gonna make half and half with you, okay? Look at the beautiful, oh my goodness, look at the beautiful almond tree behind me. It's so cute. Okay, so let's go back, pick some more wild asparagus, because we still have good natural lighting. The sun is there, it's warm and I'm sweating, but I don't want to take off my jacket because I don't want to, like, as you can see, I already have mocos, so I don't want to get more mocos. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my makeup in this lighting. I honestly truly love this foundation. It looks so beautiful, so natural. It has SPF and the coverage is beautiful. Oh, I forgot to show you outfit of the day. Not cute. What? Of course my outfit is cute. Hello, how dare you to judge my outfit? How dare you? This is how much I picked so far. But I'm gonna go search for more. Come with me, let's pick some more.
1 hour later.
Alright, my beautiful people, so that was it for this awkward video, I would say. Look at my lip gloss, it's still on and I had some beer straight from the can. I'm telling you, this lip gloss is wow. Anyway, so this is how much asparagus I picked. Luna, what are you doing? Titina, she found a little leaf from my avocado tree and she wants to play with it. Is it yours? Go play with it. Come on, play with it. It's yours. Oh, she's so happy now. I call this a success. I picked so many. If I'm not gonna use it right away, it's gonna go bad, so I'm gonna boil it and put it in the freezer. So that was it for today. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this weird ass video, but I had fun, and I did scratch my hand. I don't know if you can see it right now. Tomorrow will be more visible, but I have some little scratches because, you know, there's like a lot of bushes out there. Do you even like asparagus? I love asparagus. I love it so much. So wild asparagus is even better because, you know, it grows in the wild and is like natural and so healthy for you. Go look into asparagus benefits for your body because you're gonna be mind-blowing, okay? TMI, after you eat asparagus and then you go pee, the pee smells like grass. I know, TMI. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care and I will see you guys in my next one.